Welcome back to triangle inequality. Let's find the value of x. Remember, one side in this triangle must be greater than the difference of the other two sides and less than the sum of these two sides. Okay, let's set it up. The difference of these two sides is 7 minus 5. The sum of these two sides is 7 plus 5. And this is our third side, 2x minus 2. Greater than the difference, less than the sum. 7 minus 5, 2. Copy it down. 7 plus 5, 12. Alright, we're going to isolate x by add 2, add 2, add 2. We're going to have 4, 2x, and we're going to have 14. Now, we're going to divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Now, we have 2 and x and 7. Let's read aloud. We have x is greater than 2 and less than 7. This is the AND situation. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to erase and give you another practice. How about we have a triangle, let's say, and this is 8, this is 18, and this is 4x plus 2. Pause this video, see if you can find the value of x. Okay, we're going to put 4x plus 2, that is one side, must be greater than the difference of the other two sides. So it's 18 minus 8. Must be less than the sum of other two sides. 18 minus 8 gives us 10. We're going to copy it down for x plus 2, less than 18 plus 8, that is 26. Let's continue. We're going to minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So 4x is less than 26 minus 2 gives us 24, and this gives us 8. We're going to divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. Here's a smudge. Let's erase it. Alright, so x is greater than 8 divided by 4, that's 2, and less than 6. Now, we're done. Happy learning.